welcome back to the channel. So in this video we're gonna have a European invasion. A European invasion is different than our BMW invasion events. We're gonna be partnering up with Detail Garage, David and Eddie, the owners of Detail Garage in Miami and also Fort Lauderdale. So right now we're gonna get some Starbucks. Gotta get some Starbucks for wifey, and then from there we're gonna be going over to Detail Garage in Fort Lauderdale. That is our meeting point. And at 3 p.m. we're gonna leave sharp. We're gonna be heading to Miami Detail Garage, where there's music, there's food trucks, and there's also a lot of people that are gonna have a lot of fun. What's different about these events is that we're gonna have a various different variety of cars. It's not only just BMWs, but you know, I'm gonna capture a lot of footage for you guys. I'm gonna capture a lot of B-roll, so enjoy that. On that note, I'll see you guys on the next clip. Throwback, and one thing I wanted to mention to you guys, have you guys ever tried the zebra gum? It's delicious, but the flavor just lasts like literally probably 2 minutes. So I opened this pack yesterday and I was recording a video for you guys. It was basically the 5 things I dislike or hate about my F80 M3, and I went through all those pieces of gum already. So just a random side note. But yeah, wifey went inside to Starbucks, went to pick up some Starbucks for herself. I'm not sure she got me anything, but after that we're going to be going to Detail Garage in Fort Lauderdale. So stay tuned for that. Alright, so we just got to Detail Garage in Fort Lauderdale. We're definitely a little early. It's about 1:43. We don't really depart until 3, so a lot of people do come here early to, you know, hang out, check out the other cars. But it seems like myself and a few other people are here, so I'm gonna chat with them, get some B-roll, and enjoy the footage. Alright, as you can see, I'm still sweating. It is South Florida, pretty hot today. Weather was looking like it was going to rain today. It's not raining here. It may rain later on the day. We got people showing up now. A lot of really unique cars. I know I recorded that Daytona Violet, purple, or whatever you want, Daytona Violet, E36 M3, clean supercar. And then this E46 right here that Perry just picked up. Gorgeous looking car. He did actually a 6-speed swap in there, so that's pretty interesting. It used to be a SMG transmission, but like I said, we're still early. We're waiting some more time, and I think a lot of the guys are going to meet us down in Miami. Bye. right, so we are just leaving Detail Garage Fort Lauderdale. It's a lot of people here. It's a big turnout, predominantly dominated by BMWs, as you can see. But the main thing is we're going to go to Miami at the Detail Garage down there, and we're going to continue the festivals. So enjoy the footage. We're going to be recording some of the guys driving by. The main thing is we're going to be safe, nothing crazy. But I gotta say, the BMW community came out here and they showed their dominance, because last time we did an event at Detail Garage Fort Lauderdale, it was dominated by Audis. So BMW, let's go. Hopefully you guys enjoy the footage. We didn't get a lot of cars in the B-roll section of the cars rolling, but we did get a decent amount, a lot of M3s, at least Alpine white M3s. But we had a massive amount of people today at Detail Garage Fort Lauderdale. So to get everybody on the highway, obviously it's very difficult without police escorts. So we did what we can, and enjoy the rest of the footage. We're about to get to Detail Garage Miami. I got Christian in front of me. He has an E46 sedan. He's a great guy. He's going to be leading because he knows the area a lot better than myself and Miguel. And don't let Miguel lead, because he'll lead you the wrong direction. I'm kidding. But we're almost. But besides that, I know a lot of you guys came from far distances. One guy I met today, I didn't get your name. We came from Sarasota. It was really nice meeting you, and it was really nice that you actually joined the BMW M community. Very nice. But other than that, it was nice catching up with a lot of people that were there that I haven't seen in months because of quarantine. So I do like the Brickell area. The Brickell area is a very nice area where it's a lot of higher scale buildings. And what's good about it, there's a lot of great food spots. One place that we're going to go to is not too, I guess, it's kind of casual, so to say. So it's called Casa Tua, and it's basically like an Italian food hall where you can still buy a lot of your produce and stuff there, but they have really good pizza, really homemade pasta. It's a place that you should definitely check out. It's in Brickell City Center. One thing I will say is Brickell City Center, if you guys have a really nice car where you're kind of afraid to park it, there is parking below and it's very safe. There's enough parking where you can kind of get a good spot where you're not going to get door dings. But check this out. Check these buildings out. Alright, so we just get into the parking lot of Brickell City Center, and hopefully you guys get a little glimpse of what this place looks like. Like I said, if you guys are ever visiting Miami, don't go to South Beach. South Beach is pretty trashy now with everything going on. A lot of issues there. This is more for like a date spot, hang out. The bars are clean if you guys are into that. But I love Brickell area. It's definitely a good spot to go to, especially when you're bringing your significant other out to have dinner. But other than that, I want to thank you guys again. I know I thanked you guys on the last one, but I'll see you guys on the next one.